Welcome, dear students, to the Loreto family. I am Mrs. Datta and I teach Home Science. Home Science is an interdisciplinary subject which includes various branches of science and arts. The distribution of marks is 70 marks for theory and 30 marks for projects and practicals. The practical session is divided into two sessions, that is 2 days, one for planning and one for examination. We will be following this as the textbook during this session, along with this as the textbook for certain topics. Besides these two textbooks, we will be also following this textbook, which includes certain topics from the syllabus. We will be meeting online as per the timetable, and I expect all of you to be punctual for each and every class. Remember, girls, the wasted time cannot be recycled, so please be punctual. Till we meet, thank you.
Good morning, girls. I am Miss Rambai. I teach political science. The name of the textbook is ISC Political Science, written by K.K. Ghai, Kalyani publisher. In regard to our syllabus, it is divided into two sections. Section A has 8 chapters and Section B has 4 chapters. Section A, we will learn about political theory, and in Section B, we will learn about contemporary international relations. In regard to the division of marks, 20 marks is for the project and 80 marks is for the written examination. During this time, we will adopt an online teaching method. We will use audio explanation, PPT, slide shares, PDF files and articles will be sent to you. Our medium for teaching and learning will be through WhatsApp and Zoom. I therefore encourage each one of you to be there for each other, especially for the students who are joining us from the other school. Helping each other will help us to achieve our dreams and our goals. Together we can achieve more. Thank you.
Hello girls, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to class 11. I am Miss Thaba and I am your psychology teacher. So I believe all of you have heard about this subject, but it will be your first time learning this new subject. So let me give you a brief introduction what it is about. So the entire course, it is about human nature. You will be learning how the brain works, how people think, how they act, how they behave. You will also be learning about personality, attitudes, emotion, how people differ from each other, and how they perceive the world. So for this subject, I intend to use a discussion method. There will be group discussion and also activities. So it sounds interesting, isn't it? So I hope you will enjoy learning this new subject, and I hope that you will also participate actively in these activities. So you will be using this textbook, the textbook of psychology by Girish Bala Mohanty. So for the syllabus, it is divided into two. We have the theory and the practicals. So for the theory, it is for 70 marks, and practicals, it is for 30 marks. So the theory part, it is also again divided into two, section A and section B. So section A has 3 chapters and section B has 4 chapters. So altogether there are 7 chapters. And like I said, for the practicals, it carries 30 marks, and you have to conduct 2 experiments or 2 studies, and it carries 15 marks each. So the practicals will be based on the chapters that you will be doing from this textbook. So this is about the subject. I would also like to stress on time management. So use your time wisely from the beginning of this session so that you will not face any hardship later on. Thank you.